The cryptic disappearance of Arctic char from Lake Tasirjuarusik. Kangirsuk is an Inuit community of Nunavik located in the Ungava Bay. Near the community, there is a large lake named Tasirjuarusik where thousands of Arctic char are entering during the fall season. They spend the whole winter in fresh water in the lake, but no one is able to find them during the winter. They disappear. Even the elders have no idea where they are. The char reappear in late spring and people can fish them again. The research project wished to find out where the Arctic char are hiding in the winter. The idea was to tag some fish with acoustic transmitters to find where they hide, but also why they hide. Is it because some specificities of the lake environment? It was not an easy logistic, especially to bring the canoe to the lake, since there was no road. So the team had to be resourceful. The canoe was pulled on a sled through the rocks. We were lucky as the sled broke just on its arrival at the lake. We set up 2 camps, one at the lake shore and the other one at the tagging site, where the fish were entering the river. At each high tide, there was a group of Arctic char coming from the sea, waiting to be able to climb the waterfall to go upriver and reach Tasirjuarusik Lake a few kilometers further. So we had to wait for high tides to catch the fish at the foot of the waterfall. As you can hear, there was a lot of motivation to catch them. Unfortunately, we were a little bit early in the migration, so there were few of them and we had to improve our strategy. We broke several deep nets, but in the end we managed to catch some char. To install the acoustic transmitters, it was necessary to carry out a short surgery under anesthesia. Each fish was placed in a tank filled with anesthetic. After about 10 minutes, the fish was asleep and the surgery could begin. The surgery to install the tags lasted about 2 to 3 minutes. The tag was inserted inside the abdomen of the fish with 2 stitches to close the opening. Once the surgery was completed, each fish was released into the river upstream of the waterfall so that we didn't catch them again. After the surgery, the fish were placed in a natural resting pool in the river, in calm water, until they could recover completely. After an hour, they were strong enough to swim in the current and head back upriver. To receive the signal from the fish tags, we installed acoustic receivers in the lake. 11 acoustic receivers were placed in large Tasirjuarusik Lake and 2 other receivers in 2 smaller lakes located upstream, in case the fish go there. The receivers have been installed at the bottom of the lakes and were anchored with rocks. We hooked up a buoy near the surface so we can pick them up next summer to download the recorded data. We were a really motivated team with 3 students from Kangirsuk and very good guides. We were 2 southern researchers and several people from the community helped us. Next summer, we will retrieve the receivers installed in the lake to, I hope, elucidate the disappearance of the fish. The data will also be used to study the winter habitat of Arctic char. See you soon for the results!